Hi friends, today we are discussing about what is the difference between a noise and a sound. We might think that a noise and sound are same, but they have their own difference. Now we move on to what you mean by the noise or what you mean by sound. Next is what is noise? Noise is an unwanted or harmful sound which is disruptive to hearing for humans and living organisms. Which means noise is an unwanted or harmful sound which may cause problem to or health effect to humans and living organisms. Next we move on to what you mean by or what is sound. Sound is just a vibration that travels through air or some medium, which can be a person or which can be living things that can be heard. That is known as sound. So, what is the difference or what may which cause the excess noise? What are the health effects which can cause? So, these are the health effects which may cause due to excess noise. So next is what are the methods to be adopted to reduce noise exposure or how to reduce the hazard from noise. We can use specific PPs like earmuff or earplug. So while using earmuff or earplug we can reduce excess noise. For example, we have more than 100 decibel, we are working in a condition, so we can use earplug or earmuff. So next is we can enclose or isolate the noise source. So wherever the noise is coming, we can create a barrier. We can create a enclosure to reduce the noise exposure to other workers. The third one is maintain maintain the lubrication system. So while maintaining the lubrication system to machineries, they can reduce the friction. So while reducing the friction, it will reduce the noise or sound, which can reduce the noise exposure to workers. So next is implementing the administrative control. Administrative control in the sense means reduce the work period time or job rotation, which may can cause or which may we can reduce work exposure. Next we can use observative material like form sheets or open cell forms. These are used mainly in theaters, movie theaters and all. We are used acoustic type. So it will reduce the noise exposure. Next is we can in industries or in construction we can use there is a much use of DGs. So instead of DGs we can use acoustic or silent DGs. So it can be reduce noise exposure. So these are the examples for reducing the noise exposure, and thanks for watching and be subscribed.